Hello friends, welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss about type of coffee and caffeine chemistry. So friends, there are various types of coffee available in the market. Each comes with unique flavor and characteristics. Some popular types of coffee includes espresso, americano, cappuccino, latte, macchiato, and cold brew. The choice often depends on personal preferences regarding strength, texture, and additional ingredients like milk or foam. Dear friends, the main ingredient of coffee is caffeine. So, caffeine is a natural stimulant belonging to the xanthine class of compounds. Its chemical formula is C8H10N4O2. It works by blocking adenosine receptors in the brain, preventing drowsiness and promoting alertness. Caffeine is commonly found in coffee, tea, and some soft drinks, influencing the central nervous system and providing a temporary energy boost. So, I think you listening this podcast means you love coffee. So, dear coffee lovers, now you can buy T-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and many accessories with caffeine molecular structure with a tagline that I love coffee from my sciencestore.com websites. So, link of that website and to buy that design of coffee and caffeine molecules from our website, I provide the link in the description of this podcast. So, see you soon at our podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynoteinfo.com with support of mysciencestore.com.